Find your flow, feel the energy rise. Today's workout is an investment in your well-being. Move with purpose, celebrate every step. Let's flourish.
Step left foot back, keep heel flat. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Lean forward, feeling stretch in left calf. Step left foot back, keep heel flat. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Lean forward, feeling stretch in left calf. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Step right foot back, keep heel flat. Lean forward, feeling stretch in right calf. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Step right foot back, keep heel flat. Lean forward, feeling stretch in right calf. Lean to side, feel stretch, hips square. Switch sides, repeat controlled. Stand tall, reach one arm overhead. Lean to side, feel stretch, hips square. Switch sides, repeat controlled. Stand tall, reach one arm overhead. Lean to side, feel stretch, hips square. Switch sides, repeat controlled. Stand tall, reach one arm overhead.
Lions, tigers, bears are my king of the jungle. I stand for the pride.
Lean to side, feel stretch, hips square.
Can't stop, won't stop till I drop. Keep climbing for the top.
Switch sides, repeat controlled.
You can try, but I won't stop, won't stop. Won't stop.
Stand tall, reach one arm overhead.
Won't stop. You can try, but I won't stop, won't stop. I can't be stopped now, I can't stop. I can't be stopped now, I can't stop. I can't be stopped now, I can't stop. You can try, but I won't stop, won't stop. No more sleep till I rest in peace. No excuse till I die. No to all negativity. This is how we will live in free. Come to anyone who wants to celebrate from where they came to the outcome. Then from now, what a change. Pick at the pace, no way I can slow it down. Give me a minute of your time, I can guarantee all things work for who believe. All it takes is the faith of a mustard seed. Who can stop what was meant for me? For me, yeah, this for me. For me and I ain't for free. For me, yeah, this for me. For me and I ain't for free. Pick your head up, no more defeat. Get up off the ground, move your feet. Get up, get up. It's time to get up, get up. Can't stop, won't stop till I drop. Keep climbing for the top.
Don't forget to keep breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Kneeling in front of a Swiss ball, push the ball to your left side using your right arm.
You can try, but I won't stop, won't stop. I can't be stopped now, I can't stop.
Roll the ball until it is placed under your elbow and lean into this stretch. Repeat on the opposite side. Kneeling in front of a Swiss ball, push the ball to your left side using your right arm.
I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop. You can try, but I won't stop, won't stop.
Don't forget to keep breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Gently push your hips forward, feeling the stretch in your outer hip. Hold for a few breaths, then switch legs. Focus on a deep, even breath. This standing hip opener stretch helps release tension in the hips and lower back. Feel the energy coursing through your veins. Let's conquer this challenge. Start with feet shoulder-width apart and hands on your front. Slide your hands down your legs, keeping your back straight as your head rolls towards the floor. Your hands should touch the floor, and you should feel the stretch along the back of your legs, your chest pressing into the front of your legs as you slowly exhale. Lift your head back up using your core, returning to the starting position. Don't forget to keep breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Simple but effective stretch for inside of your legs. Widen your stance and lean into one side with the opposite leg as straight as possible. To make best use of the stretch, ensure your feet don't lift up on the side of the straight leg. Simple but effective stretch for inside of your legs. Widen your stance and lean into one side with the opposite leg as straight as possible. Maintain focus and push yourself to the max. You're doing great.
Extend left arm across chest. Use right hand to gently pull left arm closer. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Extend left arm across chest.
Feel the energy coursing through your veins. Let's conquer this challenge.
Extend right arm across chest. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Use left hand to gently pull right arm closer. Extend right arm across chest.
Maintain proper form and focus. Let's conquer this.
Lie face down, hands under shoulders. Hold briefly, then lower back down. Lift your chest slightly, keeping elbows bent. Lie face down, hands under shoulders.
Ready for the next challenge? Let's go.
Press heels toward the floor, stretch arms forward. Start on your hands and knees. Lift hips toward the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape. Press heels toward the floor, stretch arms forward. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Lean to the left, feeling the stretch along the right side. Extend right arm overhead. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Lean to the left, feeling the stretch along the right side. Extend right arm overhead. Lower back press down, hold tight. Lie flat, knees bent, hug them to your chest. Release knees slow, feel lower back stretch. Lower back press down, hold tight. Lie flat, knees bent, hug them to your chest. Release knees slow, feel lower back stretch. Lie flat, knees bent, hug them to your chest. Lower back press down, hold tight. Release knees slow, feel lower back stretch. Lie flat, knees bent, hug them to your chest. Lower back press down, hold tight. Release knees slow, feel lower back stretch. Step left foot back, keep heel flat. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Lean forward, feeling stretch in left calf. Step left foot back, keep heel flat. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Lean forward, feeling stretch in left calf. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Lean forward, feeling stretch in right calf. Step right foot back, keep heel flat. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Lean forward, feeling stretch in right calf. Step right foot back, keep heel flat.
You're a star. Today's effort was amazing. Take pride in what you accomplished. Remember that consistency is the key to success. Rest, recover, and be ready for more greatness ahead.